Understanding Mulch Tillage, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, mulch tillage. This term is often used in agriculture, and understanding its meaning and context can be really useful, especially for those interested in environmental topics or farming. Mulch tillage is a compound phrase made up of two words, mulch and tillage. Let's break these down. Mulch. This is a material spread over the surface of the soil. Its purpose is to conserve moisture, improve fertility, and reduce weed growth. Common mulch materials include leaves, straw, and compost. Tillage. This refers to the preparation of soil for growing crops. It involves agitating the soil, which can be done through plowing, digging, or turning it over. When combined, mulch tillage refers to a farming practice where soil is prepared for planting with an emphasis on using mulch. This method helps in conserving water by retaining moisture in the soil, enhancing soil quality by adding organic matter and nutrients, reducing erosion by protecting the soil surface. Mulch tillage is significant in sustainable agriculture. It reduces the need for chemical fertilizers and pesticides, and promotes biodiversity. Understanding this concept is important for discussions about ecological farming and sustainable practices. I hope this video helps clarify what mulch tillage means and why it's important in agriculture and environmental conservation. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to bringing you more useful content in our English learning series. Stay curious and keep learning.